भाई कुछ नहीं रखा जॉब में, एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करते हैं. So there is a person in our group, like in every group there will be a person who is like always saying that ki yeah, we need a startup, there is nothing in the job, right? But we never agree to him. Do you guys know why? Because in India startups are very uncertain. Like in global level, how startup works is really different from how Indian startup work, how funding and everything is managed. So I think if you want to be a entrepreneur and you want to start your startup, then you should watch this video. But if you don't want to, then also you should watch this video, because in India, if you want to earn a good money, you should have knowledge of market. Even if you want to be a web developer, Android developer, or even if you want to work somewhere, you should have the knowledge about how market works and how customer need works. So here, for the first podcast, I have Mr. Rohit. He has his startup, and the name of the startup is Blackstar. So Blackstar basically have various products for your mobile phone, basically accessories like wireless headphones, earphones, earbuds, and the major one, the best one, which I think is the power banks. You should definitely check them out. It's the link are in the description box below. So let's jump to the podcast, and I'll see you after the podcast.
So, hello everyone. I'm your host Yashang, and today with me I have Mr. Rohit. Hey Rohit, how are you?
Very fine, very fine.
Okay, cool. So Rohit, the topic for today's podcast will be like how to start a startup in India and the reality of made in India. Okay. For the start, I'll just ask a very basic question to you: that what made you choose this stream, like going this path, like taking startup, and like how did you this all started?
See, this all started. Always wanted that I should have my own firm. Okay, this is the first thing which is in the mind of an entrepreneur. See,
Yes.
I have my own firm and I want to do something different. So I choose to choose a field. Okay, I could either have the software field or I could have the hardware field. Everyone is going into software field, so I decided that I'd go into hardware. And I
Okay.
like the electronic products very much. So the mobile accessories is the segment I chose, like Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth earbuds, like airport style, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So power banks and different. I'm also showing you one. I'm also using one of mine. See,
Okay.
you can see this.
Okay. That's cool.
This I'm showing you the case of this one. See,
Okay. Oh, yeah. Really cool.
these are earbuds. These are rotating, full metal body.
Okay.
So I knew that I have potential in me to do something different, make some better accessories. Also, being a fan of Steve Jobs, it also took me down the path. So I decided to go in this field, and yeah, I'm trying to follow up and do something different.
Yeah, that's great. You are doing really good job. Like that's cool. So another question like that comes in mind after thinking of a startup is like when we talk about startups after a graduation, Indian family doesn't believe in startups after graduation. It takes a lot of sacrifice to make them agree, like, yeah, I want to do a startup and I have the potential, right? So, what did it take to you? Like,
Right.
how did you manage all of this? Like, there will be a lot of students who will be listening and they had something in their mind and still they will be thinking, like, yaar, ghar walon ko kaise manau? So, what is your thing? Like, how you can just make them, like, yeah, believe in you?
I had one advantage that my father is a man. This was the only advantage. Okay,
Okay.
so he understands that doing a business, if my son is having potential, is a better. Okay, being a businessman, he knows how business goes, how business works. So this
Yes, yes,
was a
yes.
better advantage for me. And the second thing is perseverance, जिसे हम हिंदी में देखता हैं. आपको अपने रास्ते पे रहना है, आपको लगे रहना है. You have to stay on the path. Whatever in between, whatever hurdles come in between, you have to stay on the path. So this the same thing which I had in me. So by God's grace.
Yeah.
So I did not have to struggle too much for this because one is father support and second वाले बोलते हैं बाकी सब भी बोलते हैं रिलेटिव भी बोलते हैं इवन तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे मैंने लगा रहा करता रहा नहीं मानी नहीं किसी बात सुनी नहीं आई डिड नॉट हियर एनीबॉडीज ओपिनियन कि नहीं हो पाएगा या कैसे कैसे नथिंग went forward and still going on so hopefully soon in the next year or 1.5 2 years uh, you will hear more about us and
Yeah.
very properly we will be on TV and something.
Yeah, that's cool. I just hope I'll just see you on the TV and I just can say I took his interview one day. Okay, cool. So, talking about startups more, and there is one more thing like motivation. Like it takes a lot of motivation to just do stuff. As you just said, also like you have to just keep doing, and you just don't have to think. Just keep doing. Like for some people, motivation is money, and for some, it's like fame. But what was your motivation behind doing, and what's your motivation to keep doing this?
See, I love electronics too much. My love for electronics is too much. So it's just pure passion. Nothing else.
Okay.
Motivation is my passion. That's it. So this is also an advantage, but I would say everybody should choose his field or his career based on his passion. So the motivation is less required in such from an outside source.
Okay, good. So I'll just want to tell everyone that Rohit actually took admission in mechanical engineering in the first year, but later on he decided to jump off to computer science, and then now he is in electronics. So how was your experience starting from mechanical and now you are working on electronics? Like how it's been?
See, mechanical engineering, I was there for only a month, so I do not know too much of that. But the thing is, I do not like maths too much.
Okay.
Okay, so calculus is, goes above my head. So I do not understand that too much. And I already knew that in future I will not I won't need this. I won't need all this math, high level maths. I'll need basic maths. So then I decided, then I got to know about that computer science is having less semester having maths. But
Okay.
eventually, computer science also had 4 semesters of maths. So
Yeah,
the
I know, right?
situation was almost same. 7 semesters or 6 semesters, so there is 4 semesters. So
Yeah.
I got myself saved a little, but yeah, it was there. But the experience in computers was better since I already had computer science in my computer standard.
Okay.
So I knew a lot about that, and I knew about that, and I was having good marks in the computers, having around 90 or 95% marks in first standard. So I decided, why not go for that?
That's good. So let's you are telling like you just do computer science and you knew like you can do this, like this is better than mechanical for you say. So when you were doing when you just completed your BTech, did computer science helped you in building your startup? Was there any major role of computer science in building your startup?
Actually, no, because software is right now not involved in our products. But
Okay.
there is an advantage because I love electronics, okay,
Yes.
and I love cars also. So I know many of the things about physics, okay, physics, you all can say mechanical engineering, a little bit. So computer science also comes in between. So I know about all three fields. So this is where it helps because computer in science engineering or computer science knowledge you cannot gain from outside source easily. I have done a degree in it. I have done my pursue my degree in computer science, so I know a lot about that. So
Okay.
the mechanical and electronics thing, you can get knowledge from outside. So it's
Yeah. So everyone when talks about startup, they see that stars going on their face, like they are going becoming a star, they having their own, they are their own boss. But actually there is some other reality of startup. They doesn't understand that creating a startup basically takes 4 to 5 years of hard working to just make sure you are in the market, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, so like how one
See,
should make himself or herself like ready for that, like they have to work 4 to 5 years just to establish their basic products.
the first thing is you need to have a money survive. Okay, you need to keep your employees very few so that you can survive. Okay, first, most important thing is this. Second is you have to work every day. I even go to office on Sundays and work 24/7 whenever needed because employees have fixed working hours. You have to work every day. And sometimes in between, there will be some big hurdles which will make you say, quit. You do not have to quit. You have to persevere. You have to stay there. You have to go and march forward, and slowly, what will happen? You will reach your goal. It will be very slow path, very slow forward, but you will reach your goal eventually.
Okay.
So you have to persevere. This is the main thing. And second thing is you have to get money into your account so that you can survive. Because without money you cannot survive. You have to pay the rent, you have to pay the product cost, you have to pay employees. So you have to do all this. So money is important and perseverance is important. Yes, you are right. It will take 4 to 5 years. Usually takes 4 to 5 years to be popular.
Yeah.
You're perfectly right. And to get there, you have to persevere. This is the most important.
Okay. So one more thing, like I just want to ask, like there will be a lot of new entrepreneurs coming in the few years who are watching this video, right? So what did you do to stand aside in your college life so that you can be what you are right now? Because there will be like whenever you will be talking to your friends, like I want to be a entrepreneur, I want to start a startup. I know there'll be few people who will be saying like, nahi hoga, leave it, just focus on your jobs or just focus on your placements, right? But what did you do to stand aside, like sirf college subjects, not college only subjects, what else did you do?
Can you please repeat the question? Because I missed some of the points.
Okay, so I was saying like there must be a lot of things when you were in your college, like there'll be a lot of people who were telling you like, nahi, startup nahi hoga, leave it. Whenever you will be talking about startup to them or entrepreneurs, and what else did you do to stand aside from them when you just came out your college? Like, what did you do to make sure like, yeah, I did this so that I can be this in the future?
See, the most important thing one can do in these days. The most important and very simple. If you are going to start something, if you are going to choose a path, you should know about the path, where that path goes and how to follow that path. So what to do is basic. You have to do Google search and YouTube search, watch videos, and get the knowledge from wherever. Maybe it's Quora, somebody has written some answers, and maybe it's Google videos, YouTube videos, sorry, or maybe it's some blog on Google or some any other knowledgeable material. Okay, so what you can do is go down this path with all this knowledge. This is what I have done aside from other people. Okay. And the first part of the question is my college life when my friends were there with me. They told me, many of them told me कि नहीं हो पाएगा, चल कर ले यार, देख ले, जैसे भी होगा, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, टाइम लगता है, हो जाएगा, बहुत सारे भी थे. एंड सम ऑफ देम सेड कि नहीं हो पाएगा यार, मुश्किल है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, पहले बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन है. But you have to see competition where competition is not there.
Correct.
Competition
Like in
every.
yeah,
But
true.
if you launch something new, if you launch something new, some new product or new service, there is no competition, but the segment is not grown enough. So there is also competition with the time. If the timing is not right, people will not accept the product, okay, or service. So in my field, there is competition, but there is a segment which is accepting you with open arms. Okay, you launch products like me, we are launching our products and people are buying it. They are not thinking this is a new company or something. If our products are good, people are buying. People love our products. Many of them, we actually ask for them for feedback, and they feed us back. And the feedback is 95% good. And see, we cannot get it 100% right
Yeah,
because you cannot make anyone happy, everyone happy. Sorry.
true.
So 95% is a good satisfaction rate. So what we are doing is we are getting feedback from the people, and the feedback is positive, very good. And yes, we will follow this path forward. And yes, you can see us on TV sometimes.
Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, so this is cool. Like thinking of your own product and building your own empire is cool. Like you'll be your own boss. But people generally doesn't understand like being a boss has a lot of responsibilities because there are a lot of people depending upon you. So actually they are your boss. So thinking of that, you won't have one boss, but actually you have a lot of bosses there. So just to make sure that you are doing your job correct, right? So how hard it is to make sure like not everyone will be happy, your all employees won't be happy, but make sure there is happiness in your company or in your firm.
Right. So the thing is, being your own boss, कि मेरा कोई बॉस नहीं है यार, मैं तो अपनी मर्जी से कर सकता हूँ. This is not true in long term. Okay. अगर आपके पास डायरेक्शन नहीं है, आप कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते हो कंपनी को, देन यू कैन नॉट बी योर ओन बॉस. टू बी अ बॉस यू मस्ट बी एबल टू डायरेक्ट द कंपनी. ओके, कि अब हम ये पाथ चूज करेंगे, अब हम ये चेंजेस करेंगे, अब हम ऐसे करेंगे. वी हैव टू सेव द कॉस्ट दिस वे. वी हैव टू लॉन्च दीज प्रोडक्ट. मार्केट इज गुड फॉर दीज प्रोडक्ट, नॉट दीज. You have to direct the company. If you cannot be a director, then you should not start your own company. Blunt and simple. Okay. So
Okay.
the same thing, uh, if you are your own boss, you are right. You have to keep your employees happy. But see, you have to be a first. You have to be a good person, a kind person, to make your employees happy. If they ask you for a holiday, you can give them a holiday. You do not need them on that particular day. Or if you will have less employees, you can survive, or you can go away with that day. No problem. So you should give them that holiday they are asking for, even if they are lying holiday. So
Okay.
can give them that holiday and accept them, support them, nothing else. Keep your office atmosphere good. Keep the basic amenities there, and have some comic time.
Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. That's a cool advice for everyone watching and just want to be an entrepreneur. So, coming up with my next question, like this is a really buzz or hype word right now. That's boycott China. Okay, so I'll be just talking about that. Before that, I'll like to tell everyone that his company name is Red Star. He is making electronic items like power banks, earbuds, or basically I just
No,
sorry.
uh, Yashank, you are wrong here a little bit. The company name is Black Star.
Yeah, I said Black Star, right?
No, you said red.
Oh, really sorry. My bad, my bad. So I'll just ask you, Rohit. Let's just introduce your company and products to the people who are watching this, so they can just get a bit of pinch like what actually you are doing.
So what we are doing is we are an electronics company. Basically, we launch we have mobile accessories, and mobile accessories like Bluetooth speakers, power banks, charging cables, chargers, and AirPods, which I shown you earlier in the video, and many other products, which are basically accessories. So what we are doing different than other companies is we are launching some very good products. Product like you can buy with blind trust. Okay. After some time, the people who are buying our product right now, after some time, if they want to buy something in mobile accessory and our product is present in that segment, they will definitely go for our product second time blindly because they know our quality, they know our customer care support, they know that product won't uh, get damaged or faulty in say a long time, maybe 2 to 3 years. So people will blindly trust us and buy our product.
Okay.
So what we are doing is launching products, premium products in the premium and also mid segment, and those products are having very high quality, very good.
That's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay, so coming back to our topic, so when I was talking to you last week, like just having chill talks with you and just making sure like I know you somewhat so that I can just ask you questions. So there was a thing like when I asked you about what your opinion on Made in India. So I'll just talk about like right now you come under Made in India, right? You are making product making in India, but right now the scenario of Made in India what people think is not the same what actually it is, right? So it's really different. So I just want like you can just explain the whole hierarchy of the Made in India process that's currently in India is like it's basically it's assembled in India for say like right now, but actually it is made in India. So like just you can just explain what exactly it is.
See, there are things. First is import and sell in India,
Yes.
and the second is, Yashant, I need to take a business call, please. Can you please halt the video?
Yeah. Just no problem. Just you can just mute yourself. It's fine.
Please pause it for a minute.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
Yashant.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption, but it
N-
was very important.
no issues. Like I'll just make this opportunity clear as well to the people. Like, see, if you own a startup, you have to take the customer call at any cost, at any time. And there is an example, right? Taking it all over. So that's cool. Like you can just continue it with the your topping the hierarchy for the Made in India
Thanks
process
for
in India.
taking it in a positive way. Thanks
Yeah.
for
No
taking it in a
issue.
positive way. So first is import and sell in India, which many companies are already doing it. I'll not name brands, but there are many brands. You know, people also know big companies, and you can find made in India sticker at the back of their product. If
Yeah.
you buy at the back of the box, you can read there it's made in China. Okay, so you know it's imported, fully made, and selling it. They are selling it in India. Okay. The second option is people are importing from China raw material and they are assembling it here. Okay, so this is what happening here under Make in India right now. Okay, this is the most we are doing under the Make in India umbrella. Okay, and third option is completely made in India. Okay, so completely made in India is we first need material. Okay, for an
Okay.
example, let's say we need to make a mobile phone. Okay, the mobile phone needs to have its outer body, internals like PCB, printed circuit board. Okay,
Yes.
and battery. battery, cameras, and all other things. So a mobile needs all these components, and all these components cannot be made in India right now. Okay, when we can make all these components, small components like transistors and resistors and diodes, when we can make all these products in India, then we can say the product is made in India. Not any single car is made in India, fully made in India. They
Yeah, yeah.
import parts from China and they assemble it here. Import parts from China, some import from Germany, some import from UK, import from US, and it's like this.
Okay.
So, make in India is a long-term goal. It's good that Modi ji have started it, and it will take some time. He already knew that it will take 10 to 15 years to reach goal. But it's good that we have started it, and hopefully we can get there. But we need the support of government and people as well. The big businessmen, they can set up factories here because they have already earned money.
Yeah.
They already have big profits. They are already importing and selling in China from the last 10 to 15 years. They are having big profits. They can easily set up a factory here. So they can easily set up a factory for raw material, but there is also a catch.